How to recover or reset Kraken account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset or recover your Kraken account. For that, first of all, you will need to open your Kraken application, or you may also use the website of Kraken. Now open the application and then you will reach to this home page. In this home page, you will find Create Account and Sign In button. Here you need to tap on this sign in button below Create Account. Once you tap on it, here you will be prompted to enter your email address or username along with your password. Enter your email address in the first box, and after that, since you have forgotten your password, here you need to tap on this password below the password box. Once you tap on this password link, now you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in your email address and then tap on this continue. It also says that once you reset your password, there will be temporary hold on any new withdrawal addresses you will add, and this lasts up to 24 hours. Tap on this continue button if you agree that, and then you can see you have successfully resetted your password. You should get an email from Kraken. Go and check your email first, and there you will see the reset password email from Kraken. Tap on it, and once you open this email, here scroll down and tap on this create new password. Once you tap on this button, now you will be taken to a browser. Now from here you will be able to create a new password for a Kraken account. Make sure the password meets all the requirements presented at the bottom. Once you have entered the new password in the first box, enter the same password in the second box to confirm. After that, you need to scroll down and tap on this little box ahead of this option that says, I acknowledge that once I change my password, any new withdrawal addresses will be under temporary security hold for up to 24 hours. Now tap on the save button at the bottom and wait for a while. After that, you can see your password has been successfully updated. Now once your password has been successfully updated, tap on this return to sign in box and now enter your username and a new password. After that, tap on this continue button. After that, you will see you have successfully recovered or reset your Kraken account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.